ฮัลโหลสวัสดี
สวัส
ครับ
ดีค่ะ
Hello welcome to Ken Kitchen ครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ครับผม Well today we're going to cook for you for three special dishes today. Yeah, we're going to bring you one. The first one going to be chicken pad thai, and the second one going to be one of my signature chicken mango curry, and the third one going to be a sea bass fillet with my special sauce. Right? If you're ready, going to bring over.
โอเค
Right?
ค่ะ
Hello, hi, สวัสดีครับ Welcome to Ken Kitchen. Today we're going to cook three dishes for you. Start with the chicken mango curry, sea bass with Ken special sauce, and the last one is chicken pad thai wrapped with Thai omelette. Come to my kitchen. Okay, first of all we put a little vegetable oil on, and we put some chopped shallot on. And after that, your favorite can be chicken, prawn, or any meat you want. But today I use chicken, right? Fry like that. I'm going to put some of tofu as well, right? When the meat is nearly cooked, I'm going to put one egg on. The egg, keep stir. Turn on the meat, ready? Okay, and the meat nearly cooked, and you're ready to put the right noodle in. Today I'm going to use the tin noodle, right noodle, the tin one. This is the original for the Thailand, the original for pad Thai. Right, and keep stirring that. Until start to soft it. And special of the pad Thai, going to use the special sauce. That sauce, the homemade. I'm going to pour it now. From tamarind and palm sugar. Yeah. And you can, feel about the right noodle start to tender. Nearly finished. And before you take it off, you're going to put some bean sprout in. Some little shy. Oops. Yeah, keep stir that. And finish with the roasted crushed peanuts. Right. Well, that's done. I'm going to leave it on the side, and before we're going to do the omelette to wrap it. This done. I put in the spare bowl, right? And now we use about 2 eggs to do the wrap with the Thai omelette of the pad Thai. Put just a little bit vegetable oil again. Just turn around the pan, but not too much. All right, let's say that I put on another side. We don't need much oil anyway. Now we go to do the omelette to wrap with that. Let's be a bit patient to do that. Oh, well, looking good so far. Just use a little bit oil around the side of the omelette to make sure they not stick on the pan, cooking pan. Right, look good. Now we're going to take the filling that you make from the start, the pad Thai, put on the middle. And now keep whole pan a little bit because of the heat. And now you wrap like a puzzle. See? Right. Just a little technique how you can do upside down. I show you a minute. That's quite a little bit tricky. Use the spare place. Wrap it up, hold that, don't put in pan and right going to burn the bottom one. Upside down like that. Wonderful. Wrap it that one. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. I'm going to put some garnet on now. Put some the roasted peanuts, grounded roasted peanuts. We can have a little bit of dry chili on the side anyway. Plus, the one that can spark for you, piece of lime juice in there. Why? My signature can't just be normal. Have to be something different. By put little crispy on the top. That's it. Going to be the pad thai, chicken pad thai from Ken Kitchen. Hello, welcome back. And the second one, I'm going to present my special dish. Just my signature, the chicken mango curry. Where we put the coconut cream on. One portion, I use about half cup of that. And put the curry paste. It's about 1 teaspoon of that. Keep stirring that. And second one, I just use the chicken breast again, right? Skillet chicken breast. Yeah. This dishes, I'm quite happy that I've been create this menu for the mango Thai chicken curry. Lots of people have been very happy about that. And the second one, the seasoning, I just put fish sauce, about 2 tablespoons. And I use the palm sugar. All my cooking here, I use palm sugar, substitute white sugar. Palm sugar is more natural anyway. You use about a teaspoon. You don't need much sugar because you get the sweet from mango. Yeah, turn heat a little bit to make sure it should be cooked in 1 or 2 minutes anyway. Right. At the same time, I use the fresh Thai basil. That one. Use that one to make the smell nice and more romance. Right. You can feel that the chicken, nearly finished. And the same, I just put that. Use that one. The mango already been, peeled and cut that. Just use the local one, the one that's nice and sweet one. Lots of people love that one. The one you eat with the sticky rice anyway, that one. I try to create my menu. Right. That's it. Okay, and ready to put on the nice place. Look at that. It's lovely. Beautiful mango curry. Yes. We can't serve without the garnish from the Ken Kitchen. That's the one that normally we do. Put this one for wonton pastry and we do some spaghetti, nice and spunky. Something like a Ken signature in there. Well, plus with some egg noodle under this. Here you are. This is my signature dish, chicken mango curry. Come and try that. The third dish today is going to be the sea bass fillet with my special sauce. This is a raw sea bass, but the one that already been prepared, to cook that before. And the ingredient, we have the tamarind sauce, fish sauce, palm sugar, and all the chopped tomato, onion, pineapple, coriander, and eggplant as well. Vegetable oil on. First of all, I would like to grill the slice of eggplant first because I find out the grilled eggplant is very nice with the fish fillet. Lots of people love that, After that, grill that. I'm going to cook after that anyway. After that, I'm going to use the ingredient. Right, start with chopped onion. Put some coriander, chopped tomato, and pineapple. Right, on the side. Remove that this. The fish already been cooked. Right. Right. Now I'm going to put tamarind sauce. It's about 1.5 tablespoon. And fish sauce, about 1.5 the same. And to make a taste balance of the Thai cooking, have to use palm sugar. I do it's about 1 tablespoon should be enough because you can get the sweet from cherry tomato and the pineapple as well. Right. Yeah, that's it. Just cook it a bit. Yeah. Actually, I need some a little bit pepper. Is that all right? Sorry that I don't put on. Just a little bit pepper on. Right, that's it. Well, when the sauce is ready, that the fish already been prepared, we've been pan right. Put on. All right, just some kind of. Yeah, that's it. Mix through. Just wait for 1 or 2 seconds. No, about 5 seconds to let the fish fillet absorb all the sauce. It's got lovely, like a typical country style. You can turn the gas off now. Just put on the banana leaf. You know, nice, fantastic. Put it on. Look at that. Eggplant. Look, it's nice, colorful of the ingredient. Look at that. Right. As every dishes of Ken can't be served without my decoration of garnish. Right. Everything is natural. You can eat everything, even the flour in here. Everything is natural. Put a little bit sparkling in. That's it. Here you are. Did a sea bass with my special sauce. Come and try that. Here you are. This is the chicken pad thai wrapped with Thai omelette. And the second one going to be one of my signature chicken mango curry. I'm going to bring another one. And this the third one goes sea bass fillet with Ken's special sauce from garlic coriander. Here you are, and hope you enjoy my cooking.
ขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you.
Here you are, chicken pad thai.
โอ้ว้าว อร่อยมาก
This is one of my signature dish, chicken mango curry.
Very sweet. I can taste fresh mango.
Here you are. This is a sea bass fillet with my special sauce.
I can taste sea bass. อร่อยมาก
Hello, Sawadee. My name is Ken. I'm the owner of the Ken Kitchen in Hua Hin. For my experience, I used to live overseas. I used to live in New Zealand over 20 years, involved with my hospitality thing. I have the restaurant over there almost about 18 years under the name Red Chili when I was there. And now I make decision because part of the mom is getting old now. Mom over 80 now. Time to look after mom. Family have to come first. And my opportunity to move back to my hometown in Hua Hin and have a chance to open the restaurant. That's the one I really love. That cooking is my passion, to be honest. I love that to present one of the good quality Thai food. We on the Chomsin road and take off to Chomsin 9. We have the parking, just opposite the restaurant here. Our business open from Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. If you would like to make the reservation, please give us a call on number 063-191-0565. Please come and try for my cooking Thai food for your experience. We get the fresh ingredient every single day. And we do guarantee that even the seafood dish, everything. Come and try that. You will love that. Right. And thanks very much for watching and hope you have a nice day. Looking to see you in the future at the Ken Kitchen. ขอบคุณครับ
Please come to enjoy Ken Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Bye bye.
Thanks very much. Hope you enjoy my cooking.
Yes, I enjoy that. ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ Okay, see you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.